Hello everyone, my name is Maggie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this spooky Halloween queen makeup look. So it is right before Halloween. This is actually makeup that I did with a last minute costume for last year. Just kind of a Queen of Halloween look, a Queen of Halloween makeup look, combining all of Halloween into one face. I have my cauldron full of the elixir of life, aka coffee, and I am sipping it. It is hot. But good. So yeah, I'm gonna recreate this iconic Halloween look from last year, and yeah, let's just dive right in. So as I'm sure everyone knows, I have very bad eyes, so I do have a little hand mirror here, but to actually see what I'm doing, I usually have to get this close, but I'll try not to have that affect what I'm doing. So I've already moisturized my face, so I'm gonna just go ahead and conceal the bits on my face that I want to conceal. I don't really wear foundation that often, so I'm gonna be excluding this from this tutorial, but if you want to put on foundation, be my guest. I'm using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the color 02, which is code for very pale, but not the palest. So I'm just gonna dab this on the places that need it, including all of my acne scars, discoloration, which I can see really well because I'm in natural light. And I'm like, damn girl, get your ass to a dermatologist. Don't worry, I am this week. Update to come. Then I'm going to take this, well, this has a handle, but the handle fell off. Wow, this is kind of jacked up, isn't it? It's just a flat foundation brush from a set on Amazon that I can link below, and I'm just going to buff that in, maybe stipple a bit where there is some like drier acne, because I feel like that doesn't like to be blended so much as like patted in. But everywhere else is just kind of like old scars, so I'm just gonna blend the rest of that in. I'm kind of sad that Halloween is over. I mean, it's not over yet, but basically, I mean, I really pretty much enjoy like September into mid-October, and then I start getting sad, honestly. I'm already sad that it's almost over. It's not even over yet. I'm excited that I have been enjoying November's more recently, in like the past couple of years, because it's kind of a breath before December, and the leaves are all really pretty, and it's still nice weather, so yeah, but I'm already sad. I just like to celebrate things super early, so then I spend less time being sad that they're over. So the components of this makeup look are all kind of, I mean, similar to other makeup, but we're going to be using different colors. Basically, we're going to be using the colors of Halloween, which are orange, purple, and maybe a little bit of black. So I'm going to start with bronzer, and for bronzing, I'm actually going to dip into the orange in our color palette. I'm going to be using the Yes Please palette from ColourPop for this. It's so dirty. Oh, don't judge me. I love ColourPop, and they actually just sent me some goodies, so if you want $5 off your next ColourPop order, I'll leave the code below. I think it's Maggie McGill's 5, which is like my Instagram and my Twitter handle, and the letter 5, which is the day of my birthday. Anyway, I love this palette. I wear it all the time this time of year because it has tons of beautiful warm tone colors, a mix of mattes and shimmers, and it's just wonderful. So for bronzing our face, we're going to go into the oranges. I believe last year I used the color Louis. So I'm going to take this Wet n Wild. I believe this is a contour brush, because we are kind of going to be contouring with this orange color, and I'm just gonna get as much orange on there as I can, and this can be a little bit like over the top because we can blend it later, and also it's like freaking Halloween, do whatever you want. So I'm just gonna put this in like where you put the contour stuff, so here and here, and I'm gonna put it up here and around my temple. So I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Kabuki brush. This I use all the time to put on regular bronzer, and I'm not going to wash it because it does have a little bit of bronzer left on it from all the times I've worn it before. So I'm just going to go over that with this to kind of buff it out, make it a little less orange, a little more of a mix, make it be a little bit more natural. But again, it doesn't really have to be natural if you don't want it to be. It's all about being super over the top. And this is definitely over the top. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just like a little bit more bronzed and a little bit more blended. I'm actually going to do a smidge bit more blending just for the hell of it. Next I'm going to do my eyes, and to give my eyes sort of like a blank slate fills in all the cracks and creases, I'm going to use the Hey Honey Trick and Treat cream concealer on my eyelid and below my eye. I think I got this in a FabFitFun box last year. I just like the name. It's a trick and a treat. Trick, I guess, because you're hiding any dark circles, and then treat because I guess it's supposed to do like good stuff to your eye. I don't know. I just love a good Halloween pun. I'm gonna take this tapered face brush, which is just from Amazon, and blend all of that into my eye. I'm gonna be sad when I can't use this mug anymore. I love this mug. This was one of the first mugs I bought as an adult. Mwah. Okay, so I did my eyes like this last year, and I did like it because it was kind of a combination of all the colors. So on the top lid, I did purple, and then underneath I did more of like yellow and orange, and I think I'm going to do that again because I liked it. So first I'm going to put just a very light cream, like matte color all over my lid to give us a base, and that is Bling from the Yes Please palette. I just had to change the battery. What was I saying? Oh, eyes. So I don't wear purple eyeshadow ever, even though I think it does look good with hazel eyes. So I'm going to be using, this is what I used last year, is this, I believe this is an e.l.f. palette. Yeah, it's e.l.f. It's like an e.l.f. eye palette, just like 4 shadows that you're all supposed to use together to make like the perfect look. But I'm going to be using the bottom 2 the most. They don't have much color payoff, so I do have to build them a lot, but they're the only purple shadows I have, and they work out fine. They just, you know, aren't like the most high quality. So I'm going to take that lighter purple I just showed you and put that on the outerness of my eye. Just to give us a base. Like, as you can look, that's so light. Like, it's so light. It's way brighter in the pan than it is on the eye. One thing I love about makeup is that you don't have to get expensive stuff, especially if you're just doing like a one-night occasion and you never want to wear purple eyeshadow again. This was probably like $1 at the Dollar Tree or something. I think yeah, you can get tons of colored makeup at the Dollar Tree for $1. Not great quality, but if you're just using it for costume makeup, don't go to like Target or Ulta and get like a really expensive palette. So now I'm gonna go in with this darker plum color. This does have more color payoff, so I'm gonna be more careful with where I put this. And this I'm gonna try and like focus in the crease and try and make that like V on the lid. Last year I had lashes. I'd never wear lashes, but I think I just picked them up and I had them and I was like, hell yeah, let's do it. They did not stay on the whole night. I'm just not very good with lashes. So if you are, I'd say definitely add lashes. I saw these really cool lashes at Claire's and they were spider webs, and that would be so cool with this look because of the crown, which I'll show you when we're done. It would look really cool to have spider web eyelashes with this look. Okay, to really deepen the edges of this eye look, I'm going to go into this other ColourPop palette I have. This is the I Think I Love You. I don't know if they sell this one anymore, but this has a lot of I don't know, it has a lot of like browns, metallics. It has like some like pops of gold and orange. So you can tell like I just really like warm tone nudes. So I'm gonna go and actually pick the black that's in here that I've touched, what, twice, because I never use black in my makeup looks, and I'm just gonna gently pat this into the outer corner very lightly, because I do not want this to overpower any of the purple we have there. So for the bottom lash line, I'm going to be using this color, which I used for my cheeks, which is Louis, and then I'm going to be putting this yellow in the inner corner, which is French Kiss, and then going over that with Note to Self, which is this shimmery yellow. Hope you got that. Take notes if you did it. For this, because it's so close to my eye, I'm going to be using this flat packing brush. So for the shimmers and ColourPop's palettes, they actually go on best with your fingers because they have a very soft, buttery formula. So I'm going to take this sort of light reddish orange color here, which is GNO, Girls Night Out, and put that on my ring finger, and then I'm going to put the yellow on my pinky finger, and I'm going to go over what I just did on the under part of my eye with these colors over top. But because we added shimmer on the bottom, I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer on top. I don't have any purple shimmer, but I do have this color. This is one of their Super Shock shadows. One of ColourPop's Super Shock shadows in Deep Dive, which is kind of a weird color. It's almost kind of like, I don't know, like brown. Oh, almost dropped it. I guess it's sort of copper color, but it also feels kind of green. It feels very like iridescent, like potential. So I'm just gonna take, again, with my fingers, a little bit of this on my ring finger, and this goes a long way. And just add this to, I would say, like, not the inner corner of my eye, but like right next to it. So this is gonna give us a very nice pop of glitter. And I feel like you have to have glitter on Halloween. And I don't think it really takes up, it doesn't really take up the purple too much. I feel like it just really adds to it. And I feel like, looking at it now, like the flip almost looks purple now. I don't know if the flip in this glitter is purple, but I think it might be. Oh, I think it is. That's perfect. Yeah, this flips purple. That's perfect. I knew I had a good feeling about this. I was like, yes, girl, use it. Use it. That's an amazing turn of events. One last touch. I'm going to put a very light white into like the corner of my eye, and I'm going to grab the color Rowdy from this ColourPop palette. Again, with my pinky finger, and I'm just gonna dab it real quick. Simple, easy. Another pop. A ColourPop. Oh my god, she said it. That's the name. So I'm gonna put my brows on really quick. You guys don't need to watch that because I don't think I have any technique, and no one else does, but still using the Tanya Burr Cosmetics Perfect Brow Kit, which has all these colors in it, and I use this one, Hot Cocoa, which is the darkest. Next, I'm going to do my eyeliner and my mascara, which I have to do in a mirror standing very close to it because I can't see a damn thing. But I am still using the Wet n Wild Pro Line Felt Tip Eyeliner, which is $4 from the drugstore, and Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It's just $7 from Target, and I have these lash curlers, obviously. I'm going to quickly touch up this orange here, very lightly. I'm going to throw some highlighter on this look. This is the Mega Glow highlighting powder from Wet n Wild in the color, what is the color? Blossom and Glow. Okay. Okay. So I'm just taking this like fan brush. I don't wear highlighter too often. I know there's lots of like really beautiful liquid highlighters, and that I think is like the secret to getting that Instagram glow is the liquid highlighter in combination with the powder highlighter. However, I'm not on that, so I'm just gonna use powder. And again, be a little extra. It's freaking Halloween. It's freaking bats. So go extra. Go hard. Go hard on your highlight. Go hard on your highlight. You deserve it. Gonna hit my nose. I'm gonna hit my chin. Just go like that. I got some on my shirt. A little bit on the forehead. Golden. I think all that's left is lips. So last year I used a super dark ColourPop color called, I think it was the color Prim, maybe. It was this really dark purple. But this year I thought we'd go a little bit different route, something a little bit unexpected. So this is the color JV. It is like a bluish gray, and I thought it would be cool with this look. It's not any other color that's in this look, but I thought it might be a little kind of dark creepiness that this look needs. Because right now this look is, oh, did I just get that on my mouth? I just touched it with my mouth. No. Right now this look is a little bit too PG. This looks a little bit too like Winnie the Pooh's Halloween. We need a little bit of Hocus Pocus going to eat the children of a whole city in this look. I'm going to line my lips in this actual like color that doesn't match at all. This is just a burgundy, but I find when I use dark lipstick I can kind of use any color liner and it will blend in for the most part. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this. I haven't done this before. We'll try it together. Okay, we're gonna go in with this lipstick. I've never seen it before on my face. I don't know how it's gonna look. Let's see. We'll find out together. I'm kind of scared. I really like this because it's kind of a step above black. Black can be a really harsh color, and I almost got black, but I was like, I don't think I'll ever wear that. This I might wear again because it is, again, like very dark, very goth, but not like black, you know? The consistency of this is a little different. I have another Luxe lipstick that is in like more of like an orange terracotta color, and that is very glidey. This feels a little bit chalky, but it's not like hard to put on. It's just definitely more like instantly matte. Okay, so lipstick is on. I do feel like a badass babe. It's just a really beautiful, interesting dark blue gray. I don't know. Certainly different than anything else I wear any other time of year. Like, no, I'd never wear this outside of Halloween. But it is kind of cool. So there's only a last thing to do is to let down your gorgeous witchy locks. Mine have looked better than they do right now. That's okay. And then all you have to do, girl, put on your crown, put on your spookiest outfit, and hit the streets. So without further ado, I would like to show you all my Queen of Halloween crown. Yes, honey. Oh, girl. Let me tell you what. This looked a lot better last year. So I made this last year. It is just fake flowers that I painted with some Mod Podge mixed with, I think, like black makeup powder. A couple of spiders, some like, I don't know, Halloween confetti I glued on, and then I wrapped it all in flower wire wrapped in green felt. This has definitely lost some stuff since last time, but that's okay. I used glue to make sort of like spider webs over it, like all like over it, like on purpose, and yeah. So I'm just gonna put this back on my head. I don't remember which side was the front. This is the front this year. I just think it's funny, it's like a flower crown, but a spooky flower crown. So this is my final makeup look. I really hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and leave a comment below of your favorite Halloween memory this year, because by the time this goes up it will almost be the end. So let me know the best, funnest, spookiest autumnal thing you did this month. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on my social media, which is on the screen and in the description box below. I'm over 10K on Instagram now, so that fam is growing rapidly, and I have such a good time over there. I love posting on stories, so if you want daily life snaps, head over there and go see what's up. I'm just, yeah, so excited that we got to spend another October together. So much fun. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.